Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I got a free wallet from Wish. So the wallet was for free, but you actually pay $1.50 for shipping. So it was like about 2 months. I waited for about like 2 months and a half for it to come. Yeah. So can we get the wallet, please? Can we get our $3 survival tool from Amazon, please? Make sure to watch the video, by the way, if you haven't. Okay, so let's use our $3 survival tool from Amazon, which will be in the link in the description below. Let's just use it so that we can open our free wallet from Wish. Okay, so let's put this back. And let's see here. Okay, so it looks really good. So as you can see over there, look at that, it looks so good. Okay, so let's open this up again with our $3 survival tool from Amazon that you should watch if you do watch the video. Let's open that up. Okay. Okay, so it really has a really nice feel, like leather feel. So the company is called Nino or something. Yeah. So opening it up, we see we have some card slots, some like membership stuff, so you can put like your membership card, show it to people, like bus passes. You could show like put your money in here. We actually have a zipper in here so that you can put your like liquid money, like dollars, cards, more money. So as you can see over there, it's really nice wallet, honestly. Yeah. So so it's a really nice wallet. I mean, for $150, I recommend buying it. Yeah, it's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm definitely gonna use this wallet because it really looks nice. It's pretty big. It really looks good. I mean, for $150, you're getting something. You're pretty getting something good. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for clicking on this video and watching it to the end. Peace out.